So what happens due to the lack of interaction between the system and the user, it might cause some mistakes in the operation. And that's why to improve the interaction between the user and the system, we have to use the wearable technology. Next is we can even when in this world we know that it is a fast running world and everyone wants to catch the running world. Then and everyone wants that our work is finished in very much in less time. So what happens at that time even people start their work and in hurry they do some mistakes in doing some work. So using this technology, what happens? We can simultaneously do more than one work at a time. Again, turn on the machine. So some delay is introduced between the that side. But when we use this variable machine, then what happens? The delay gets reduced because it is always on and we can use any time and anywhere this machine. Wearable technology art. The art is always placed in the world. When you are looking at some devices in the market, what happens if the design is very good? Then our first look matters for that device. If you like that look of that device, then we can also make our adjustments about the quality and some other factors. So and people what happens in regular the people are wearing these clothing devices and garments and they used to go in the world and anywhere but and they also make the show off of this garment so they want that these clothing of this wearable technology devices should be like the normal clothing so should not be like that if some devices are in our jackets or something it should not like that our jacket is look like some circuit on the device it should be like normal jacket or a normal necklace or normal one so there is some art to design some such a devices also the good design plus the good application is the main fashion trend in this wearable technology and people expect from this wearable technology that the technology which is used and devices which are in the system should not be exposed to the outside world. So what happens at that time? The makers of these manufacturers of these wearable technology devices, it gets something that these devices should be hidden from the outside world and the garments look like the normal clothing. It is goals of the wearable technology. Then for what the wearable technology is introduced in the real world. First is any technology in hand. But in cases of something that the system is away from us and we have to reach to the system and work on that system. So sometimes some people have some laziness or it takes some time to reach to the system. But in this wearable technology, it is not necessary to reach to the system because system is always with us. So it is in hand and we can use anywhere and anytime this system. Then the faster access to electronic devices. The faster access to electronic devices means that we already see that technology with us. So we can anytime access the technology and the devices with us and operate it as early as possible and do our work very efficiently. Then increase productivity. From our point of view, we can say that